Okay, so what you gonna do with him? You gonna get him? Is he gonna be food?
Yes.
Well, can you get him out of here? Don't leave him over here. Sharif, get him. Get him out of here. Lord, he just gonna pick him up by the little wing. Lord, he's gonna.
What take on Simon?
How long before you eat him? How many days?
Mm-hmm.
How many days before you eat him?
Hey.
Susan, what are you doing with him? Ah! You're not gonna get him? He said he's going to his mama. Sharif, he said no. He said he's going back to his mama. He tried to get away. No, he's not gonna stay at my house. No, he got it. Poor little bird, I feel so sad. Can he not fly?
No, you cannot fly. I think you should.
Poor little baby. I'm not even gonna name you because the last one I named, they ate. He would eat him in about what, 1 week, 2 weeks? Poor baby. All I can say is poor baby. Susan, stop laughing at me. Susan, I will kill you by mistake when I get there. He's already got a box ready for him. Lord, just Lord.